Welcome to Miracle Hour. Come get your spirit lifted.
Faith spins right, not left. The spirit don't do counterclockwise. Ray, that's sweet and low, not the Holy Ghost. Y'all turning the Last Supper into a cookout.
Yo, Lord, it's rosé.
Tastes like box faith, but progress is progress.
Now that's divine development.
With over 30 spiritual categories, trading spiritual skills was never so easy.